Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best folding wheelchairs is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for individuals seeking enhanced mobility and independence, offering a practical solution for navigating various environments with greater ease and confidence. These innovative devices are designed to provide reliable support and comfort, allowing users to maintain an active lifestyle and participate more fully in daily activities, whether at home, in the community, or while traveling. With a focus on user-centric design, folding wheelchairs aim to simplify transportation and storage without compromising on stability or performance, making them a valuable asset for anyone needing assistance with mobility. Number 5. Drive Medical Cruiser 3 Lightweight Folding Wheelchair. Discover the Drive Medical Cruiser 3, a lightweight and foldable wheelchair designed for ultimate convenience and comfort. Its innovative design makes it incredibly easy to transport and store. Take it anywhere your adventures lead you. Enjoy superior comfort with its supportive seating and adjustable features. It's built to provide a relaxing experience. The footback, detachable full arms and elevating leg rests offer customizable support. Adapt it to your specific needs. Experience freedom and independence with this reliable mobility solution. It's engineered for smooth and effortless movement. Whether for daily use or travel, this wheelchair is your perfect companion. It combines functionality with ease of use. What we like. This model offers exceptional comfort with its elevating leg rests and convenient flip-back arms. If you require enhanced leg support or need to easily transfer in and out of the chair, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for individuals who spend extended periods seated and need adjustable positioning for comfort and ease of use. What people say. It is light and easy to wheel her around, yet is made very well. It came basically assembled and is very easy to open and fold down for putting in the car. The feet rests are easily detachable and adjust very easily. Number 4. Sentire Med Deluxe Electric Wheelchair 2025. Experience unparalleled mobility with our advanced electric wheelchair. Designed for your independence, it offers a smooth and powerful ride wherever you go. Conquer any terrain with its impressive 600W peak rapid power motor. This robust system ensures you have the strength you need for every journey. Travel further than ever before with the dual battery system. Enjoy up to 25 miles on a single charge, giving you peace of mind on longer excursions. Portability is key. This lightweight model folds easily, making it perfect for travel and convenient storage when not in use. Don't let the path limit you. Its all-terrain capabilities allow you to navigate various surfaces with confidence and ease. This motorized folding mobility device is engineered for your comfort and convenience. It's the perfect companion for both everyday use and adventurous travel. What we like. Experience freedom with its powerful motor and impressive range, designed for both travel and varied terrain. If you're an active individual who enjoys exploring or needs reliable mobility over longer distances and different surfaces, this electric wheelchair is perfect for you. It offers a robust solution for those who don't want their mobility limitations to restrict their adventures. What people say. It is very quick and sturdy. I feel very safe and comfortable while using it. It handled a ramp at the school very nicely. It folds up easily like a stroller and fits perfectly in the back of our Buick Envision. No need to have an additional carrier attached to the outside hitch exposed to the weather. This is a very well-made chair, very sturdy and comfortable, great battery life, easy to fold. The case makes it easy for aircraft crew to handle it. Number 3. Medline Lightweight Transport Wheelchair. Experience superior durability with our premium TIG welded frame, finished with a chip-resistant gray powder coat. It's built to last and look great. Enjoy exceptional comfort with its supportive seat and backrest upholstery, featuring built-in protection. The desk-length arms allow you to get closer to tables, enhancing usability. Transfers are made simple with convenient swing-away footrests. The hemi-height adjustable axle allows for personalized foot-powered movement, adapting to your needs. Navigate with ease thanks to mag wheels and smooth rolling, flat-free tires. They ensure a reliable and comfortable ride every time. Despite weighing only 38 pounds without leg rests, it offers robust support, accommodating up to 300 pounds. The 18-inch by 16-inch seat provides ample space. Designed with your well-being in mind, key touch points are treated with microban antimicrobial agent. This built-in protection helps maintain a cleaner surface. What we like. Built with a strong, chip-resistant frame and featuring hygienic touchpoints, this wheelchair prioritizes longevity and cleanliness. If you value durability and ease of maintenance, along with the flexibility to adjust the seat height for foot-powered movement, this model is a solid pick. It's well-suited for users who need a reliable, easy-to-clean option for daily use. What people say. Folds almost flat, a plus, with swing-away leg rests. Holds up to 250 pounds. It is high-quality basic wheelchair without all the bells and whistles. It is strong and easy to fold and store. I have a small SUV and it fits inside very well. It is light, and you can pick it up easily. Number 2. ENCAREFOR Widen Folding Electric Wheelchair. Introducing the ENCAREFOR Widen Folding Electric Wheelchair. Experience unparalleled freedom and comfort with its intelligent design. This power wheelchair features an intelligent folding mechanism for ultimate convenience. It's designed to make your life easier. Enjoy extended seating that provides more comfort during your travels. It's built for your well-being. With a 500W motor, it offers powerful and reliable performance. This durable wheelchair is ready for any journey. Available in a vibrant yellow finish, it combines functionality with a touch of style. Make a statement wherever you go. Rediscover your independence with this advanced electric wheelchair. It's more than just a mobility device, it's your key to freedom. What we like. Enjoy a more comfortable experience with its extended seat and intelligent folding mechanism. If you need a bit more space or prefer a chair that's easy to store and transport, this electric wheelchair is a great option. It's designed for users who prioritize comfort during longer periods of use and appreciate the convenience of a smart folding design. What people say. The wheelchair is lightweight and easy to fold, making it convenient for transport and storage. It has a comfortable seat and backrest, providing good support for extended use. The sturdy frame and durable wheels ensure stability and smooth maneuverability on various surfaces. Number 1. DX08 Rubicon Electric Wheelchair. Experience unparalleled freedom with the DX08 Rubicon Electric Wheelchair. Designed for ultimate convenience and reliability. Say goodbye to flat tires forever. Its innovative puncture-free wheels ensure you can travel anywhere without worry. Go the distance with our extended range batteries. Enjoy longer outings and explore more without needing frequent recharges. Conquer any terrain with its robust 500W motors. They provide exceptional power and smooth performance for a superior ride. This wheelchair is built to handle it all. Its all-terrain design allows you to navigate various surfaces with confidence and ease. Discover the longest range available in its class. Explore further and live life without limits. What we like. Boasting puncture-free wheels and the longest range among its peers, this electric wheelchair ensures uninterrupted journeys. If you're looking for maximum reliability and minimal maintenance, especially concerning tires, and need to cover extensive distances, this is the one. It's the ultimate choice for those who demand endurance and peace of mind on their travels. What people say. Benefits of the chair are variable speed, quick stick response, lightweight and foldable for easy transport. It is a smooth ride and is pretty comfy with the add-on gel cushion I got. You can steer on a dime and boogie on down the road at an extremely fast pace. I could easily operate it. It has good turning radius and speed control. It even goes up-down and climbs easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.